Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn how to trace our letters carefully. We will follow the dots slowly and hold our pencil the right way. When we try our best, we get a reward. Let's start. Eyes on the paper. Ready? Watch me first. First, hold your pencil like this. This is called a strong pencil grip. Look at my mouth. We make the sound here. Ah. We start at the top, go down slowly, and a small line in the middle. See? Following the dots. Now it's your turn. Let's trace letter A. Start at the top. Pause for 5 seconds. Slow. Follow the dots. Good. Keep going. Great tracing. You followed the dots. Here is your star. Now let's try B. Look, B, ba. Now you say it. Pause. Start at the top. Follow the curves. You are doing it. Pause. Wonderful. Nice curves. You are working so hard. Let's trace C. It looks like a curve. Nice and slow. Pause. Very good. You are holding your pencil so nicely. Eyes on the dots. Start at the top. You can do it. Pause. Super focus. High five. You stayed on the line. Now try this letter by yourself. Long pause. Amazing tracing. You did it by yourself. Big clap. Fantastic job. Today we learned how to hold our pencil and trace letters slowly. When we follow the dots, our writing becomes neat and beautiful. You did a fantastic job. See you next time. Bye.